Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ChatGPT desktop app on Mac or Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the ChatGPT desktop app on your Mac or Windows computer, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.openai.com and hit enter. Once the OpenAI homepage loads, look for the menu in the top section of the page. Find and click on the ChatGPT option to access the ChatGPT section. Scroll down the page until you find the information about the desktop app. Look for the download link that corresponds to your operating system. If you're using a Mac, locate the macOS download link and click on it. For Windows users, find the Windows download link and click on that. Your browser will begin downloading the appropriate installer file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. For Mac users, double-click the downloaded file to begin installation. Follow the prompts to complete the installation on your Mac. For Windows users, locate the installer file and double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your Windows computer. After the installation is complete, find the ChatGPT app in your applications or program list. Double-click the app icon to launch ChatGPT on your device. Upon opening, you may need to log in or create an account if prompted. Now you can start using the ChatGPT desktop app on your Mac or Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.